Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can keep track of your online business building efforts using the statistics section of your back office. This feature is for pro users only, and it tracks all of your sample, landing page, and email activity so that you know exactly what's going on in your business. Now, to access statistics, click on Marketing Manager and then Statistics. Now let me take you through each section of the statistics page so you know exactly what you're looking at and how you can use it in your business. The first section that you have over here is your email campaign statistics. And this is going to show you how many emails you've sent, how many of them have been opened, and how many of them have been clicked on, or how many people have clicked on links in those emails. So up here you just have a broad overview, shows you how many emails have been sent, and who they were sent to. Was it downline, was it customers, or was it leads? And then you have the same thing for opens and for clicks. Then when you come down here, you'll be able to see each individual campaign that you've sent. And if you have more than fits on one page, you have additional pages over here where you can find them. And you can also use the search box if you're looking for something specific. Now this shows you exactly the same information, just on a campaign by campaign basis. So for each campaign, it shows you who your audience was. Was it leads? Was it downline and customers? Was it all three? It shows you how many were sent, how many were opened, and how many were clicked. Now, if you want to get even more detail on one of these campaigns, you can just click on these three little lines here and then click on details. Now that's going to bring you down to the bottom of the page. And what it's going to show you is the information for every single person that you emailed in that campaign. So it'll tell you the campaign name, the date it was sent, what type of person it was sent to, lead, customer, or downline, their name, their email, whether they opened the email, and whether they clicked on the email. So you can get down to individual people within your campaign to see who's interacting with your emails. So this is really, really good information. Now if we go back up to the top, I want to talk to you a little bit about how you can use this information to improve your email marketing. Now, if you notice that one of your campaigns is doing well, it's getting lots of people are opening it, lots of people are clicking, then you know that that's a campaign that you should keep using. If you notice those other campaigns, maybe aren't being opened as much, maybe you need to work on the subject line. Create a subject line that maybe is a little more appealing. Or maybe you didn't segment your list very well for that email, so it was sent to people who maybe aren't really interested. So look at your segmenting. Maybe you can be a little bit more specific on who you're sending that email to improve the open rate. And if you've got one that people aren't really clicking on, maybe the content of the email needs to be adjusted a little bit. Give them a little bit more value so that they'll have a reason to click. So that's something that you can do with these email campaign statistics, is look at what's working and keep doing it, find out what's not working as well, and make adjustments where necessary. So those are the email statistics. The next thing I want to talk about is right over here. These are the lead manager statistics. This basically just tells you where your new leads are coming from. And it shows you month by month. And you can see we're either talking about essential oil samples, which is trynoniessentialoils.com, Taimana samples, which is from trytaimana.com. There's also Tahiti Dream, the contact form on your Morinda website, and then manual entry, which is people that you actually went in and clicked on add a lead and put in their information. So you can see month by month how many people are added to your lead manager from these different categories. And the nice thing about this graph is that if you wanted to see one specific lead source, you can turn off all these other ones, and then it just shows you, for example, these are month by month how many leads I've added through tryNoniessentialoils.com. Or these ones are from trytaimana.com or manual entry, or you can go back and you can see all of them. So that's a really nice tool to keep track of where your leads are coming from. So if you notice that one source is being very successful, you can focus on that. If there's one that's not working as well, maybe you need to spend a little more time in that area, sending people to that landing page or talking to people where you can get them interested in the Tahiti Dream program. So that's how you use that tool to help you build your business. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is related to those two landing pages we just talked about, trytaimana.com and tryNoniessentialoils.com. Now, this section here gives you all the data that you need from those landing pages. It's going to show you how many visits you've had, how many individual people have visited. So right here you have 74 people for a total number of visits of 125. They spend an average of 5 minutes 27 seconds on the site, and 30% of those people requested a sample. And then you have the same thing down here for trytemana.com. The same information: visitors, total visits, average visit duration, and the sample request rate. Now this information becomes useful because you can see which landing pages you're having activity on. So if you see that not very many people are going to trytemana.com, maybe you need to do a little bit better job promoting that landing page. Share it on social media more, invite people to go there through email. Whatever you have to do to get more people going there so you can get those samples in their hands. And that is really the last little bit that I wanted to show you on this page. All these tools will help you maximize the effectiveness of your online business building strategy. You can see what's working and what isn't and adjust your activities accordingly. So if you're on Morinda Office Pro, please start using these statistics now. If you're not on Pro, go and sign up right now and start taking advantage of all the great tools that Pro has to offer.